Today I am taking a class of scanning tutorial in HP Tank printer uh, 5810 series. A big question is how to scan any document from this said printer. Firstly, you will open the computer, that is, it may be the desktop or the laptop, whichever is available to you. After opening, you will see at the interface in the desktop or laptop where HP Tank printer 5810 series software have been loaded, and you will press on the double click on the above software. You will see I am opening the printer. Now I am giving a document for scanning. How to scan? Now you follow. Now I am pressing the HP DeskJet 5810 series software. I am pressing double click. This is opening. Please wait. I have already opened the printer's switch and have given a document for scanning. Wait. Then you will see 5 types of button can be seen. Number 1, see what is printing and scan. Scan a document or photo. Open the scan dialog. I am pressing the scan a document on or photo. Pressing double click. Now the scanning has been scanning interface has been opened. Now if I want to scan any documents, I have already given a document in the printer scan place. Now I am pressing scan. You see the documents has been scanning. You follow. You wait and follow. Now the scanned document has been sent in the interface. Now I want to save this document. Press save button. You will see what is happening. You wait. A dialog box has come where I will save these documents. Normally we are saving at picture locations. We will now which mode we will apply. Now I am applying JPEG or PDF as you like, as and when required. Now I am press save. Now save. Finish. Now I want to exist. A dialog has been come up. and the document has already been scanned. You will see, if you press open, this has been scanned. Now I am closing. Now I want to exit from this scan menu. I am pressing exit, come, and I am closing this interface of HP DeskJet 5810 series HP printer. Close. Now I stop the printer's switch and taking out the scan documents. So you understand how to scan a document for uploaded purpose or for storage purpose, as you like. This is the process of scanning of any document for uploaded purpose or your storage purpose. Now I end the class. Thank you very much.